Assalamualaikum and good morning to Doctor and all my fellow coursemates. I am Nushalinda from Group Alpha and today I will present the Business Model Canvas or known as PMC about our product which is Crunchy Chip Bites. Why do we choose this product? Our product is called Crunchy Chip Bites which made up of spring roll wrapper and available in a range of flavors. Besides, it has a thin and crunchy texture making an alluring temptation to keep snacking. This is our business model canvas for Kanchi Chip Bites and it contains 9 elements. First and foremost, key partners, key activities, key resources, value propositions, customer relationships, channels, customer segments, cost structure, and revenue streams. There are 3 key partners in this business which are product distributor, courier service company, and our group members. The product distributor for Crunchy Chip Bites is the stockist from NZ Crunchies berkat nickname. For courier service company, we have choose JNT and Post Laju Malaysia as our courier company to deliver our goods. Also, group members of Alphi which contributes the business capital. Next is the key activities. Firstly, we are planning, solving, and ordering products in large quantities. Secondly, we serve and receive customer orders. Thirdly, sales and marketing are advertised through digital and traditional marketing platform services, and we do make service improvements through the feedback of our precious customer. Then, key resources. Key resources have been divided into 3 categories. The first one is human resources. Each of the group members have been assigned to their own job scope. For physical resources, the supplier for our Crunchy Chip Bites is the stockist from NZ Crunchies. Not to forget that the financial resources of our business is to collect the capital among the group members. Value propositions. A snack food called Crunchy Chip Bites is made up of spring roll wrappers and comes in a range of distinctive flavors. It is also a great snack for on-the-go situation and the price is affordable for everyone. For those who remain up late, this may be the energy source for you in the wee hours. For customer relationships, we will provide a mechanism for customers to give their honest review about our product. Besides, establish several social media platforms to provide the latest information and interact with the customers. Then, the channel. With the aids of WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram to marketing and advertising the products, this will help us to increase the sales and facilitate business between stockists and customers. Furthermore, when the snacks taste nice, our contacts and clients assist us to promote the product among themselves. Customer segment. Our Crunchy Chip Bites target market is extremely diverse, especially in terms of age. Customers can choose from a variety of flavors in our products and give them a try. Next, there are 3 cost structures in Crunchy Chip Bites, which are stock purchase cost, product packaging, and product delivery cost. All costs from stock ordering to delivery were carefully handled and planned to ensure that the business operations work smoothly. Last but not least, revenue streams. The income of Crunchy Chip Bites is generated through the selling and buying process from all the customers, and application of a fixed price strategy make it easier to calculate the profit and return of a business. That's all from our team, Crunchy Chip Bites. Thank you.